Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, good people? How you doing? What's up, good people? Great people. Good people. Good morning. God's people. Good morning. Excuse me, I'm a little disheveled this morning. Just wanted to come on, just talk for a few minutes into opening bell. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and that notification bell. And there's a few things going on. I want to just discuss it before the bell. We got about 2 minutes. That is correct. And Microsoft's forward guidance is showing that it's a huge slowdown. They had the weakest report, their earnings, in many years, actually. And so that is spooking the market this morning. The pre-markets are down. They're negative. Good morning, good people. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? So it's down. Dow is down. S&P, all of the major indices are down this morning, last I looked. So we're going to keep an eye on that, good people. And hey, today is Weeble Wednesday. Download the top link below. There you go. So let's look at what's going on. There's a few things going on, but I don't want to overtalk opening bell. We're going to go live to opening bell, right? So that's what we're going to do. Companies are getting ready for a consumer slowdown with massive layoffs. Companies are pre-preparing more than consumers are for this slowdown with massive layoffs, lowering forward guidance, and so forth. And so we have to look at what the big money is doing. We have to look at what the institutions is doing in spite of the bullish micro environment, right? And so there's a lot of things that's going on. We got Tesla reporting today. And, I have a video that I have here, a bull case versus a bear case. I'm not going to play it this morning. It's a little too long. Look at that. Dow down, S&P and NASDAQ, and it has been going south. Microsoft has spooked the market. Let's see what's going to happen with Tesla. Now, let's just go live into opening bell, and I'll be right back.
Sports later on if we want to.
Yeah.
But it naturally, Enterprise Software is the new natural gas.
Oh, boy.
Nat gas, incredible. I think it's March and April now with a two-handle on Nat gas.
The one really positive line of Microsoft, and guys, the one positive line was that the heating costs are going down. I mean, holy cow. I mean, there's a positive for you.
The dollar and energy headwinds that are lessening, no doubt about it.
Gold up. I mean, look, we searched. The only positive piece of research today was Five Below. The stars are aligned by Five Below.
So some of you are asking about the SQQQ. For those of you that don't know, it's a triple leverage. And so if the market goes down on the SQQQ by 1 point, the SQQQ will be up by 3 points. It's a triple leverage. And so when you want to play these type of deals is really before the market turns around the other way to maximize earning potential. But it's okay to still play them because you can make money off of them, all right? So it depends. If the market continues to sell off, we can take a look here. If the market continues to sell off and go more negative, then you will win more playing the SQQQ, right? But if it turns around and goes the other way, then not so much. As you guys know, a lot of times it will open up negative and it actually could be positive, right? So I don't know. It's just I feel like the day is not going to end this red. Of course, it's just how I feel because sometimes the market needs time to digest news and then it kind of rebounds, right? Inflation is not always a straight line down, right? So though we see inflation is cooling off, it may show a little peak or a little bounce, which will spook the Fed, or will spook the market, and the Fed will get more aggressive, right? So Tesla, let's talk about Tesla for a minute. Tesla has rallied into earnings. Tesla has rallied into earnings. For those of you that watched my video a few days ago, you saw me do a Tesla option play, and I forgot the percentage I was up, but I shared it with you guys. I made a quick 5K and got out, set my stop loss, not yesterday, but a day before yesterday, and it flushed my stop loss. So my stop loss was what you guys saw. So I kept the full 5K, right? And so that's why I do that. Now, I didn't care on what it ran after that. So for those of you that don't know a strategy called buy the rumor, sell the news, let me go over that. Into Tesla earnings. Tesla has not had its earnings yet. So what I did was I did a call option because, as I forestated, I saw that Tesla was going to run up into earnings, right? We don't know what's going to happen with the earnings, but I felt and I saw signals that Tesla short term was going to run up to earnings, right? So buy the rumor, sell the news simply means you buy the stock on the rumor that something is happening, but you sell it before the news hit. That way you don't run the risk of a bad report. And I do that. I do buy the rumor, sell the news into earnings, and I get out before the earnings, what? Limiting my risk. And someone might say, yeah, but Larry, what happens if it is a good report and the stock continues to run? I don't care about that. I'm already sitting back with my money in my account. And so in a bear market with raising interest rates, I limit my risk. I make money, I get in, I get out. I want you guys to learn all of these lessons so you can make more money, right? Hey, good morning. Oh, that's my bro. That's my blood brother. Rodney Jones Sunday School. He teaches Sunday school. That is my blood brother. He's a little touched in here. Rodney, did you take your medicine this morning? Hopefully, I'll call your wife. I'll call my sister-in-law and make sure you took your medicine. That's my brother. I love my brother. He is, for those of you that really want to understand the Bible, that is my brother, Rodney Jones Sunday School. Hey, y'all send Rodney Jones some coffee cups. Say good morning, Rodney Jones, with some coffee cups. Bless you, brother. Hey, good morning, Ashley. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so we know about the debacle that happened yesterday with opening bell, how the market was off. It's crazy. You know, it's crazy. We'll do a whole nother video on that because it's kind of complicated. Yep. There we go. Come on now, Rodney Jones. Hey, for those of you that didn't see, I had a crypto summit. I called it a crypto summit. I had it here and I had some guests on, and we literally pretty much did a summit for everybody, whether you know about crypto or you don't. If you don't know anything about crypto, the summit that I had yesterday will absolutely help you guys. I will leave the video in the link here when this is over, right? So it will be I will leave the video in a link here and then a link in the bio. All right, I want to go over this again. Today is Weeble Wednesday. That's where I am about to start doing, I haven't started yet, my swing trading in crypto. That's where I do my swing trading in crypto, and that's where I do all of my option plays. I do all of my option plays with Weeble. It is very friendly. Of course, we know about the 12, deposit $100, they're going to give you 12, up to 12 free stock. But I'm making the money. When you guys saw me make the 5K in one day, that was on that Weeble platform. All right, so it'll be your top link below. Hey, they're still saying good morning to you, Rodney. Good morning. Hey, that's cool, man. I appreciate you, Tamir. All right, appreciate you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, there was something else I wanted to talk to you about. All right. We know about Microsoft. We know about companies getting ready. We know about inflation. And I talked about Tesla. I was just taking some quick notes this morning. And so, listen, I want to talk about the micro and macro environment one more time. And we will just end this one. All right. Good morning. Hey, there's your cup. There's your coffee cups, Rodney. I'm a little tongue twisted this morning. So let's talk about the macro and micro environment because this is really important for you guys. Okay. You know what? The market is red today. Boom. That's what we're doing. I know that's ugly. It hurts my eyes, but that's what we're going to do for now. You know what? Let's do it this way, good people. This is even better. Let's do this. See that? Red. So we got a red day today. All right. So let's talk about the micro and macro environments. The micro environments, or should I say short-term news, short-term outlook was looking bullish. Stocks with Josh was on the page and he believes that it's going to last until the end of the month. I don't. I think it's going to be over before the end of the month. I believe it'll probably be over this week, but let's see. But that's what the charts say. So let's see. We're kind of in the same, but we both agree that the micro environment, short term, looks good, and you'll see these bumps like we've been seeing. So the market running up, right? But the macro environment or long term looks negative. And what I mean by that is you hear a lot of the talking heads talk about the S&P. Some are saying, oh man, S&P, 35, 33, 30, right? And then some say, oh, we could end this year at 4,100, 41, not 4,100, but 41 by the end of the year. Well, let me tell you this, both could be true. And this is what happens in a lot of instances in a bear market heading into potentially a deeper recession, though I must stand on a rock alone and continue to say that we are in a recession, heading to a deeper recession. I don't know anybody else on YouTube that has been more consistent in saying that than myself. I am not changing until I see a change, and I don't see a change, right? And so here's what could happen. What could happen is we do have a flash, what I call a flash crash. So I'm still waiting on Q1 earnings, especially from the big companies this year, the Microsofts, the Googles, the Teslas, just the overall market, right? We want to see what their forward guidance are after they report Q1 of this year. So that's January, February, March. Then April, we will have the data. When that data comes out, I'm going to trust that data. If it is negative and forces the entire market down, then that's where I'll start to buy. And what could happen is both could be right. The S&P 500 can come down to 35, 32, 31, 30. And then people will start to buy back in. The Fed will become neutral at that point. And this is what I believe, in spite of what the Fed is saying. I believe he will start reversing by the end of the year. He won't just pivot. He will do a U-turn by the end of the year. And we could still end up the year at 41 because the market could start to run back up. So I'm just sharing with you guys what I see could, not absolutely will, but could happen in a micro and a macro environment because of where we are, right? If we were heading into a bull market, then my plan would be different. So I always teach, trade the market that you're in. And it doesn't matter about a short-term run up or a short-term run down. I look at the macro and not the micro, right? And so that's what I want to say that will help you guys in your trading. How do you make money on both? It's simple. Dollar cost average with small amounts of money and keep big chunks of cash ready. Where are we keeping our big chunks of cash? That's what we're doing with Moo. That's where we're cashing up with the Moo. But then with Weeble is where we're getting ready to do our swing trading. All right, what's up? What's up? All right, good people. Hopefully this has helped you. I didn't want this to be a long one. It's 15 minutes. But I like to teach as much as I can so you guys can not just, hit one here and hit one here and do this little win and that little win, but so you could have the information that will help you to continue to win or to make money, limit your risk, know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run. Like that commercial, start the car. All right. Hey, I love you guys. Make sure you download the link, especially the top link. This is Weeble Wednesday. And make sure you check out the video we had yesterday, Stocks with Josh, some other guests, my financial friend, as we discuss crypto. All right. Love you guys. We'll see you later today. Live, love, laugh, and learn.